My name is Gerald Sarmiento, Master Racket Technician for Tao Tennis Shops. We are here today at the International Tennis Hall of Fame to answer a question: are all rackets created equal? Here we have 4 rackets shipped directly from the manufacturer, 4 Head Speed Pros, all with 4 3/8 grip, all with a list weight of 315 grams. First racket weighs in at 313 grams. Second racket weighs in at 319 grams. Third racket weighs in at 324 grams. And the last racket weighs in at 317 grams. As you can see, all 4 rackets are not created equal. In order for these rackets to be identical and play the same, they all have to be matched and customized. This would explain why a player with multiple rackets that aren't customized have a favorite in the bag. My name is Gerald Sarmiento, and this answers your question if all rackets are created equal.